This is a story about a young chick whose life was cut short. It was just a baby chicken, you know, cute and cuddly, those cute little eyes, and I'm okay. Anyways, this chicken was in an egg. An enclosed, encased egg. It had no cracks, not one. The chicken farted. The gas consumed the chicken, engulfing it, and there was no way for it to escape. And it suffocated and died. Well, this egg was like any other ordinary egg you might find at a supermarket or in your house. One day, you turn on the stove, put a pan on it, you go into the refrigerator and you take out that egg. You crack it onto the pan. And the dead carcass comes falling out. Hits the pan. Sizzle. And you die.